Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've got an unboxing and this is Ocean by Estetica in the color Vogue. You know the deal with me. I get my wigs on clearance whenever I can. And this one is no difference. No different whatsoever. I have the color Vogue. What do I have? I have Jameson in Vogue. Love this color. This is a really dark brown with some red and some violets. I really like this color, and I'm just really sorry that Estetica doesn't make it in other styles. And for those of you that are new to my channel, when I talk about the clearance section, I'm talking about the clearance section at Wig Studio One. Right now, I am wearing one of my workhorses. This is also by Estetica, and this is Sky. This is one of these wigs that I just give it a shake and throw it on. I really need to get it in a different color too, because I don't always want to be gray. Nothing wrong with gray. It just, I like to switch it. Okay, here we go. There is Estetica. I can't remember how much I paid, but when Wig Studio One puts these in the clearance section, I know I'm getting a deal. And as soon as I see it, I snag it up. As you can see, it still has the net. I'll leave the link down below to Wig Studio One because, of course, they are available, except not on clearance. But Estetica always has 30% off, so at least you save a little bit of money that way. I'll show you the cap. What we have is a very wide lace front. If you're familiar with Fin, that's exactly how Fin by Estetica is. It has that wide lace front. So while you can't make a long part, you can give the illusion of scalp as a small part, and I'll show you. We have open ear tabs. Yes, there are stays. We have hook type adjusters, and we have an open nape. This portion right here, this is kind of like the crown. We're going to have some permatease there. This color is gorgeous. Who's this color for? If you're a brunette, a dark brunette, and you want to add a little bit of sassy to your color, I think this one is perfect. It has that red blend. It's very much like Chocolate Cherry from John Renault. There is some purple here or some violet, but it's not an in-your-face. It's more of a red blend. Maybe some coppery red, some violet. All right, I'm going to give this girl a shake. We're going to check out the permatease and we'll check out the density. Ocean weighs 4.27 ounces. I just love this color. I think it's perfect. Maybe not so much now for the summer, but I do wear this color in the winter. I mean, you can wear it anytime you want. If you've never applied a wig before, you grab it by the ear tabs and you dip your head into the wig, pull back, and the wig will be kind of like in your forehead, so just pull it back. Yeah, this girl has a lot of hair. That's okay. That's why I wanted to do the unboxing, so you could see. I'm going to add some water. And you're probably thinking, yeah, really? You're going to wear that? Yes, I am. Watch. Watch how pretty. I need to make it a little bit smaller. It's Estetica runs on the larger side of average. We do have that permatease, but you know what? It's not really so much at the crown. It's more right around here, I guess, to give it that lift. But if you don't like permatease, you might want to be aware that it does have permatease. I don't think the density seems that high, honestly. I mean, it appeared that way when I first applied it. I don't know if it's just because I've been messing with it. It doesn't feel heavy. I've tried on some wigs that I as soon as I put it on and I play with it, and I think, okay, this has way, way, way too much density. All right, let's see if we could see what I mean about how deep that lace front is, that it gives you the illusion of scalp, but it doesn't go all the way back. Therefore, you can part it on either side. or you can part it in the middle. Whatever you prefer. I have to use a darker root powder. I didn't apply any root powder. Well, actually I did. I applied a little bit of root powder, but it was my lighter one. I didn't apply the darker one. I'll show you where the ear tabs are. They're right here, and here is my hairline. The lace front. Now all I'm doing is kind of manipulating it a little bit just to help it go where I want it to. And I'll get closer. You can see right at the top for the permatease. I can feel it. I can feel that right here. So what do we do about that? We could add a little bit of steam and that will flatten it out. I've also found that after a while of wearing it, if it doesn't bother you, it'll settle down. I think where we want to be a little bit more cautious, if you will, if you are not a big permatease fan, is for maybe the blondes. You know, it might, and it doesn't have a root, it might show up a little bit more. But on these dark colors, if you're a brunette and you wear a color like this, you really can't tell. And we got to remember that people aren't going to be standing over our head, 2 inches from our head, looking at the permatease. At least they don't do it to me. All right, so for this style, it's not bad, right? Don't you think? Let me show you it on all sides. I don't think it's bad. I think it's pretty. I like these, you know, kind of messy kind of waves. We don't have any curls here. It's just I just got back from the beach or just got out of the shower look. Has some nice movement. If you like these Estetica styles, I think they last a long time and they work really well. You know, no matter how you really comb it or you style it, it's just gonna go. I'm not going to stand here and say that it has soft, silky fibers like Beltress, but this is traditional synthetic. This is not a heat-friendly fibers. So the fibers are going to be different. And we could do a half up and half down here. You could also put it on a mannequin and do your updo. Kind of like a messy bun. If you wanted to add some bangs, you could also do it on here. If you know how to cut the bangs, I don't think that you'll have any problems adding bangs. And this is just one of those styles that you either love it or you really don't care for it. But I thought, you know, I would bring it to you and show it to you and show you what it's all about out of the box. In case you do get it, you know what to expect. All right, let's take a walk outside so you could see Vogue in the daylight. It really is a gorgeous color. All right, see you in a bit. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know what you think about Ocean. Let me know what you think about Vogue. I would love to hear from you. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.